Hi dears, welcome to Miraculous recipe. We are preparing an effective remedy for restoring vision, improving memory, hearing, and strengthening the immune system. So let's go to prepare. We need a carrot. Peel it and cut it into small slices. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene and vitamin A, which is good for the eyes and is an incredible source of eye vitamins. Add a tablespoon of walnut. Walnut contains fat-soluble vitamins A and E as well as B vitamins. Also, it contains minerals, a lot of zinc and iodine. After that, take a lemon and, as you see, cut it into small slices and add to the ingredients. Be careful to rinse the lemon thoroughly because we want to use it with the peel. Lemon also contains many vitamins and minerals. Among them are folic and ascorbic acid. Put all the ingredients in a blender. After that, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then add half a glass of water and mix and blend all the ingredients very well. At the end, add a teaspoon of honey and it's ready to eat. For the best result, take 1 tablespoon once a day. Try to eat half an hour before the meals. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and press the like button. Also write in the comments which country are you from. Thank you for watching us. Wish you a happy, healthy, wealthy life.